Hello everyone, today I'm going to be making some fruit Bionicos. I'm doing it lactose free. I have this lactose free condensed milk and the sour cream that is dairy free. And you could do your choice of fruit. Right now I'm doing strawberries and bananas. I already cleaned them and chopped them up. And I have on the side for the toppings the granola, coconut flakes, and then the raisins. I'm gonna get started. I have my bowl. I'm gonna add sour cream. Add the whole can of the condensed milk. Go ahead and sprinkle some cinnamon on top. You can add as much cinnamon for your likings. I like a lot of cinnamon. Go ahead and pour it over the fruit. You don't always have to pour the whole cream on top. You can always refrigerate it and save it for another time. That's good for like maybe 4 days. Just go ahead and mix this up. Watching this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe,